2018 Escalade. We're gonna change the battery. Been getting a on the app, on the All-Star app, getting a message being battery's low. Also, if you have just a key on to run, but not started, after about 5 minutes it says battery's low, start the vehicle. So we got a new battery, let's change this sucker out. First things first, grab yourself a 13 mil, boom, boom. And then right there on the T, so get rid of this bar. Good old GM, done this for years. Gotta put a support bracket right over your battery. And after that, we'll have to get the mount off the front. I think it's what squeezes it down there and the bottom, and then we'll get them cables zinged off. Shouldn't be that hard. Hopefully it hits the ground. I removed this bar, it sat like this, just one same size bolt, 13 mil, right down in there, just so that way we can tilt the battery and to get to that, the negative clamp when we get to it, right? So next will be a 13 mil clamp holding down that battery. We'll zing that off. We'll get that out of the way. I still have to find that bolt. I think it's down underneath the plastic shroud, but worry about that after. And then should just be these two and this should all come off. Hopefully, don't know, haven't done it yet. 10 mil, pops that off. Okay, I've never actually done this, so let's see what we have to do here. Well, this should just, this whole thing should just pop right off. Oh, you have to, some plasticky crap. So there's a 10 mil right there holding down the reservoir. You have to loosen that, just to get enough wiggle room. And then twist and pull. Got ourselves a Costco battery, 4-year warranty, $200 Canadian. Super cheap, super good. And it's a 985 cold cranking app. This is an 800. Other than that, they're all the same. So we'll throw this in. I didn't go with the AGM battery, it was $100 more. I don't know, towing maybe, if you towed a lot with it, you might need it, but this will be more than enough for what we need. So we'll get that thrown in there now. Let's see if I can get that back in there. Just like that, I guess. Boom. Now we'll try to get that nut back in. Zoom reverse. We got that back in there, right there. We'll put the clamp back on. Point. Clamp this back on. Brace. Oh no, the lower brace. Aha. Almost got me there. Back on. The aluminum color bolt, not the black one. Yes, we'll start to find the other black one in the abyss. And if I don't find it, I'll look at my bolt stash and find one. If not, let's go to GM and get another one. I really don't care. And besides me losing a bolt, that's how you swap out a battery. On a 2018 Escalade, Sierra, Silverado, any of those type vehicles, Tahoe, Suburban, they're all gonna be the same. So yeah, besides me crawling underneath to find that bolt, that's all you have. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like it, do your thing. See you in the next one.